Apple has recently teased iOS 26.1, so here's what we expect to see in this new update. The phone app keypad now finally features liquid glass, as it was missing on the original launch. Liquid glass now applies in iOS 26.1 on the right compared to iOS 26.0 on the left, with the more frosted look. It also applies to the dark mode, and it might look even better in that theme that brings a more minimalist feel. Moving on to the lock screen, when customizing the clock effects, the glass and solid buttons now feature liquid glass too. However, they can be hard to read against bright-colored wallpapers, as you can see on this specific example. iOS 26.1 also improves clock alignment, so the styles are now precisely positioned instead of sticking to the left edge of the screen. Then, on Safari, Apple is expanding the bottom bar, leaving less gap than before, so it's easier to see the content with more space between each button. It will be particularly convenient on smaller iPhone models such as the Mini or SE series. iOS 26.1 is also adding support for 8 more languages for Apple Intelligence, including Chinese, Danish, Dutch, Norwegian, Swedish, Portuguese, Vietnamese, and Turkish. Speaking of languages, the iOS 26.1 update also expands AirPods Live translation in Japanese, Korean, Italian, and Chinese. This is Julian from Apple Cycle. Thanks for watching, and follow for more videos like this one.